Meet kyoka, a word you hear in classrooms, workplaces, and news about security or policy. Picture sounding more natural when you say things like, "We need to strengthen security measures." The company decided to reinforce employee training. They plan to intensify the marketing campaign. Ready to kyoka your Japanese skills? Jump into the video and practice along. Kyoka. Kyoka. The word kyoka means making something stronger or more effective. Use kyoka when you talk about improving skills, reinforcing structures, or increasing the intensity of a policy or program. It covers both physical reinforcement and abstract boosting, like training, rules, or systems. The first kanji means strong. It is read kyo or go in onyomi and tsuyoi or shiriru in kunyomi. You see it in tsuyoi, where it directly means strength. You also see it in benkyo, where the idea of strengthening helps mean studying. The second kanji means change. It is read ka in onyomi and bakeru or bakasu in kunyomi. You see it in bunka, where it gives the sense of forming or transforming a culture. You also see it in henka, which literally means change. Is strengthened, is reinforced. 強化される、強化される。To aim, seek, to strengthen. 強化を図る、強化を図る。Strengthening of regulations. 規制強化、規制強化。Reinforced, strengthened measures. 強化した対策、強化した対策。The most common synonyms of the kyoka is zokyo and hokyo. Zokyo emphasizes increasing strength, size, or resources, for example, forces or capacity, and often implies addition or growth. Hokyo focuses on reinforcing weak points or making something more solid or reliable, often in a structural or support sense. Kyoka is a broader, general term for making something stronger or more effective. The most common antonyms of the kyoka is jakuka and teika. Jakuka refers to the process of becoming weaker or losing strength and is the direct opposite of actively strengthening. Teika indicates a decline or decrease in level, quality, or ability, and is used more broadly for deterioration. While kyoka implies action to make stronger, these terms denote reduction or loss.